about green? Green! Hello, green. Ano kunin natin? Yellow! Yellow? Ano pa? Ay, kuha mo ulit yung green. Ang green. Red? Sige, get mo yung red. Good job getting red. Okay, ano pa? Meron pa. Blue? Ito, blue. Ay, orange. Orange.
We're gonna go home na. Let's go.
Get orange. Very good. Oh, ito pa. Blue.
Let's go.
Blue, blue, blue.
Can you say bye-bye to them?
Dito,
Say
dito.
bye-bye.
Bye, Liam.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Good job. Get blue.
Alam mo, dapat nagkasalita ka na.
Blue.
Nagkasalita ka na talaga.
Blue, blue, blue. Blue, blue, blue. Get blue. Very good. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, I have the other colors. Good job. Time to put red. Here. Here. Dito, dito. Ay, mahulog to. Go lang. Tsaga lang po. Tsaga. Tsagaan mo lang. Tsaga, tsaga. Oh. Nilaga. See? Push mo, push. Push. Push.
Work on sound again.
Putting blue. How about you get yellow?
Better. Wait lang. Okay, we'll go for
Ilan mo lang.
Oh, diba? Ano sound yan? Kaya mo yan. Again.
Come on.
One more.
Get. Yay. Get lang.
Again.
It's just clay.
One more. Close your mouth first for There you go. See, that's better.
Get box. O sige, ito. Try ko ilagay. Lahat.
What's the sound?
Pick one.
Zaylon, 8 more minutes.
One more.
Okay. Yeah.
Conquer your fears.
Ma.
It's just clay.
Ritalin ba yun?
Ritalin.
Ritalin.
Go.
It's either Adderall or Ritalin lang naman yun.
Okay.
Pero kasi, kung ang Adderall, it's dextromethorphan.
I'm just putting it back.
Philippines. Kasi it's
Binabalik ko lang.
By nature, technically, methamphetamine. So, sobrang restricted siya. Alam mo
Very
naman mga
good.
Pilipino, pag nakarinig ng amphetamine,
That was a
trigger
while.
agad. Ganon. So, kaya walang binibentang
Parang
extra
ano yun, pa
amphetamine,
ADHD.
Walang binibentang
ADHD na yun.